The Overhead Door O3T-A remote uses a CR232 battery. If your remote's range has decreased or it's not working, replacing the battery is a quick fix. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the case back together. That's it. Test the remote to confirm it's working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Always ensure you use the correct CR232 battery type for the O3TA remote. If the remote still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery polarity and that the battery is new. For optimal performance, use high-quality battery brands to prevent leakage. Consider eco-friendly, recyclable battery options. While the O3TA uses a disposable battery, newer garage door remotes are trending towards smart, app-integrated devices and potentially batteryless technologies in the future. Stay updated on overhead door firmware via the app. If flooding damaged your remote, replacing the battery and reprogramming can save you money. Remember, battery health can be checked remotely via the Overhead Door app.